Welcome, warm greetings from TestprepKart. Here I am going to tell you about the features and about each and everything which is related with a 2-year batch, which is known as 2-year long batch for JEE. Okay, I am going to present you its components, its features one by one, so that once you are admitting your word over here in TestprepKart, you should have no confusion. Now, first of all, regarding the batch, I would like to tell you that we always create 2 types of batches, and the idea is very simple behind it. The idea is that we keep the like-minded students in a batch. For example, if you are being in UAE, so you shall always be finding that there are 2 types of students. One who is aspiring high and one who is aspiring medium. Aspiring high, it means that along with the IITs, he is also targeting Stanford, he is also targeting Harvard, he is also targeting MIT for engineering. So definitely these students have to be kept apart. And there are some students who are very much satisfied with their CBSE as well as with their JEE main, SAT2, etc. So we have done it so that we do a better segregation. The types of students, they have to be separated so that in future, with the pace of the course, with the teaching of the teachers, these things should not be a problem, right? So what we do, that we always create small batches, and this is the reason because it is completely live and both interactive classes. So our class size is always limited to 15 students. In that, we always try to keep 10 students from a particular country. For example, if you belong to UAE, so we shall be taking 10 students from UAE and 5 students from India. 5 students from India, the logic behind is so that we create a better competitive environment, so that if you think that you are bereft of that Indian taste of coaching or Indian style of coaching, that would also be incorporated in the batch. Okay. As I already mentioned, that we always keep like-minded students, so that while sharing the logic, while sharing all the the academic stuff with each other, they should be at par with each other. Okay. Now, second thing is pedagogy. Pedagogy is very, very important. We always stress that this is the method which is much more important. It doesn't make a difference your child is in UAE, your child is in Kota, your child is in Mumbai, Delhi, Bhilai, wheresoever. But if your child follows the method, okay, your child would definitely be, getting into IITs or Stanford or the best of the centrally funded technical institutions in India. So for that, it's very simple thing that our ex-IITs teachers, they would be teaching you a particular concept. We would be giving you a detailed milestone chart in that day-wise, week-wise, month-wise, all the topics of physics, chemistry and math would be segregated so that before the class beforehand, you would be able to know which topic you are going to study with your teachers, with your peer group, so that you prepare yourself very well with those topics. So the pedagogy is very simple. First of all, the concept has to be cleared. If your concept has been cleared, if your concept has been consolidated, then in future you do not struggle with any examination. Okay? And doubt removal part is an intrinsic part of any high-stake engineering examinations, be it JEE, be it SAT2, or be it any examinations, whether you want to go to IITs or NITs or Stanford, MIT, etc. Okay? So the main idea is, after clearing the concept, that we give you the doubt removal session, and the reason is we want to translate your concept into problem solving aptitude. That helps you ultimately, nothing else. Now, third, it's very, very important, the study material, right? The study material is available in hard copy. There are 2,400 pages for the hard copy of study material, which is mainly for JEE main and advanced. It's comprising of 2,400 of pages in hard copy, 3 books, written by the best of the ex-IITians, the best of the veteran in this industry. Apart from that, we will be creating your account. For example, if you are taking admission in this 2-year course, so apart from that hard copy of study material, which would be couriered to your place in UAE or wherever you live, what we do, that we have got a big repository of the soft copy of material. Now, apart from this hard copy, for CBSE, physics, chemistry and math, this material would be uploaded into your account in soft copy, right? That would have plenty of study material, chapter wise, topic wise, subtopic wise, question bank, each and everything, so that each and every topic and subtopic is tested. Okay. Now, as we said that along with this, we are also preparing you for SAT 2. So the study material of SAT 2 would also be in hard copy. Okay. Now, apart from that, there would also be some material for SAT 1 that would also be in hard copy. Now, once you go from grade 11 to grade 12, same thing is there. The study material of grade 12 CBSE, that would be given to you in soft copy. For whatever we teach you in SAT 2 in grade 12, that would also be given in the soft copy. For SAT 1 part, that would also be given the soft copy. Apart from that, we have got a special 2,500 pages of study material which will be helping you for CBSE grade 12 board examination, right? So you have plenty of material. I can also tell you that along with say grade 11th, you should know that H.C. Verma books, H.C. Verma part 1 and part 2 for physics, okay? That actually is the base of physics. If you have covered this and if you have been taught well and if you have command over this, IIT or any examination in physics should not be a problem. So what we will do, that such type of books which are supporting books, these soft copies, it would also be uploaded into your account. So there would be plenty of material. You will not go here and there for the material. And we have made it the best of the repository for you, right? Now, test series. Test series is very, very important for any high-stake engineering examinations, right? So we have a different method of testing you. Some tests are loaded on your platform, okay? That gives you the best of the analysis, in-depth report, comprehensive analysis. You are able to know your related rank, okay? Say that at present 2,000 students are studying at TestprepKart. So in relation to a student, what is your rank, that would also be predicted, right? As a parent, you would also be able to know what actually has been the progress of your child. You can keep a track record of that. You would be able to know that after 15 tests, my child has got this much. After 30 tests, this is the improvement. But after 40 tests, he is not improving in that area, right? So this is it. Now, the most important thing is that we will be, testing you separately for CBSE as well as for JEE and SAT examinations, right? Some of the question papers that would be attached and it would be sent personally to your email ID so that you can take a printout of it, or you can just download it on a desktop and you can, practice that just like in a real examination like environment. For that, we require your support parents. We have a system for that. Okay. So after the study material, giving clarification regarding the study material and test series, now we are coming to those parts that will be taking our course closer to the reality. For example, you think that these are online classes, okay, and completely live and interactive classes, both were interactive, where students are allowed to interact with the teachers. And this is the reason that we keep the batch size small. Now, as a parent, what we do, say your child, we are here talking about the 2-year course for JEE, for CBSE, and JEE means JEE Advanced. Okay. Now, as a parent, you must have got plenty of concern. Where you should go, okay? So for that, what we do, that in these 2-year course, there would be 3 parent-teacher meetings. In that, you would be interacting with those teachers who would be teaching your children in the batch. So you can tell all your concern, all your queries, all your suggestions with these teachers. So this is the way you can have a very good command over a child's future, right? We also have a system where you can give feedback about the teachers. We have a form that we are going to give you. You can write whatever things are good, and whatever things you don't like, and what should be the direction of the course, because ultimately this course is for you people, okay? So you are the best commanders just to sell this course, okay? Another thing is that we have found that, a student in a, once he goes to a coaching, say somewhere near in the local area, he's in a batch, so he's quite hesitant to ask question, right? But here we have always found that just because of the small batch size, and just because of this model, even teachers are instigating the student to ask a question, and students do ask question. And the best thing is that your child is sitting at the comfort of your home. Okay, over there as a parent, even you are 10 feet far, you can see, or you are moving here and there, even say the mother is in kitchen, or you have just returned from the plant. So you can see that your child is studying right in front of you. He is not going here and there, right? Now, recordings. Let me tell you, this is very, very important. All the live classes are recorded, and these live classes after the recording, these are uploaded onto your account. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of this? First, if ever your child has missed a class, he can view the recording and he can come at par. This is the first thing. Second, these recorded classes are your property. You can download it on your desktop, laptop, forever, or on your iPad, wherever you go. You can revise it. You can have unlimited revision. Now, as a parent, because this type of thing is not allowed anywhere in the world. Say just now you have returned from the office and you would like to know your child, okay, what he has done in today's class. So without even letting your child know, what you can do, you can just go to the recording and you can see what teacher has taught him, what was his quantum of interaction with other students in the class and with the teacher, how many questions he has asked from the teacher, how many questions he has replied. And this parallelly also allows you to keep a check on the teachers, right? Whether your child is being taken care of in the batch. So this is very, very important. Now, this actually is a point which most of the parents do not ask, and this is about the synchronization of the course. It means whether my child is going to be taught the same topic at the pace which school is teaching, or the same topic would be covered in the TestprepKart class, right? Let me tell you that we have created this course in a way so that our course is actually in 95% synchronization with the school, and for that what we do, that we take the detailed milestone chart from the school, as in which month what would be covered, which month what would be covered. So these things are very, very important. For that, we contact the schools and we tell them just to send us the the detailed milestone chart, that in the month of March what would be covered, in the month of April what would be covered. So this way we do the synchronization. Also, many parents say that whether my child would be able to cope up with this CBSE or with this JEE coaching. So we would like to say that there would be no problem just because of the segregation of the batch. Okay, equal stress is put on CBSE as well as in the JEE coaching. So these things would not be a problem. Now, we have got a particular course planner, as I told you, that's going to help you immensely. Day wise, which topic would be covered, weekly, which topic would be covered, monthly, which topic would be covered. So these are the things. So this is all about the 2-year coaching for CBSE as well as JEE. Let me tell you that we'll be taking a complete and out care about CBSE grade 11th and 12th, JEE Main Advanced and SAT. That's it. Thanks a lot. If you have any doubt or query, please write to info@testprepkart.com or just give a call 9999 001864. Thanks a lot.